Switchblades.tv presents
available at assistedknife.com.
Roadsideimports.com presents
How's it going? It's Chev. Today I'm going to review this Bradley Cutlery Kimura 6 Tanto Balisong. Let's get down to the specs. The blade material is Sandvik 14C 28N. It's alloy material. It's rated for strong uses and corrosion resistance. The handles materials are 410 stainless steel. The alloy on this is made for long distance strength and corrosion resistance. I've been wanting to get this ever since it came out. I've been trying to go to every site to get a good deal. AssistedKnife.com has the best deal. You can't complain about it. No bullshit. The handles are 5 inches from the back of the tang to the tip is 4.5. The edge point on the bottom is 3 inches, and the front Tanto part is at 1.5 inches. Everything on it is stainless steel. The tang pin is stainless steel. All the screws, even the latch is stainless steel. You can look carefully inside. It's hollow out. Has these barrels right here that add the weights to the back. I like the sharp, unique, sleek look of this Tanto. It's very unique. Thank you for watching. Comment, thumbs up, subscribe. Bye now. Have fun.
Got questions? I got answers. Email me at jb@roadsideimports.com